Hello? Is there someone? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Have you ever wondered what a bird's ear looks like? Let's find out. Ew!
So this crab's holding on to me and he won't let go. And you know what? I'm okay with that. I'm going to be your real estate agent. Let's go look for a good home. How about this one? This is a 1-bedroom right by the water. You want this one? Go ahead. He's not letting go. He doesn't like this house. How about this one? Yeah, perfect.
A dip in the pool, a trip to the spa, endless days in my shades, the whole world according to moi. Excuse me. Beep.
This is a bunno, also called a bun and occasionally called a wabbit. But what's most important is to understand bunno anatomy. We start with the floppity loppities. Some bunnos have very droppy floppity loppities. Others have not so floppity loppities. Then there's the blinkers and the boople snoot, which is also called the wiggle sniffer.
Oh my... Hey, come on. Come on. You're okay? Oh my... No, come on. Oh my, you're breathing! Come on. Come on. It's okay. Oh my... Oh my god!
I like attention. 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 More attention. Attention now, please. Thank you. Hello? Hello? I hear you. Stop.
Go on, son. Go on. You ever been able to stroke a bee before? Bet you haven't. Go on, son. Go on. Someone's stuck on his wing. Let me get that. I'm trying to get off you, son. I'm trying. Let me get it. There we go. It's off now. Fly. Come on, son. We're all waiting. He's like me on a night out. He's just drinking more than he actually should.
Guys, should I touch it? I'm gonna touch it. Alright. Please don't murder my finger.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Evan. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
You can just say hello. Hi!
Hi, pretty girl.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my eggs back.
Y'all have been wrong for your whole life. Hornets are friends, not foe. See? That's no. No, no. Oh my.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.